Hi, I'm going to walk you through the NodeN sensor and some of the updates we've made with the GUI and also connecting it up to an IoT sensor with alerts. So a lot of this was based on suggestions from Shania to make her demos run a bit more smoothly and so she can test the capabilities of the sensor. In terms of the setup, I've got the camera over here and I'm going to move that around a bit and show you, first of all, I've got the sensor there. So that's the NodeN sensor, which will have pretty much the same view as the camera. And there's the little IoT device and the GUI on this monitor here. So in terms of the IoT device, that's called the M5 Stack Tough, and it's based on the ESP32 chipset. So that chipset, it's quite widely used and it's really easy to develop because there are a lot of tools for the embedded programming. And on top of that, it's got good functionality. So the sensor has it's got a monitor on there as well as sound, so we can use it for the alerts. In addition, we could add, it's powered by USB at the moment, but we could add a battery or, even other sorts of sensors to it as well. I also like this particular model, the Tough, because of the waterproof case. So it gives us ideas for things we could do for the NodeN sensor if we were to use it for outdoor applications. Anyway, in terms of the GUI, first step is first I'll start the screen recording so you can get the better view of it. Okay, I've got that running now. I will first press the connect button so that it'll look for the sensor and hook up to it. You've got the root node and the sensor node here. The configuration is already programmed in, so we don't need to do anything there. And then this will be the layout of the we're in. So showing me on the point cloud at the moment. I'm just going to switch that off at the moment so that I can add in a couple of different alert zones. So basically we've got a green safe zone and a red exclusion zone. So I'll add in the exclusion zone. That's the sort of area you don't want to go into. So if someone steps in there, there should be a very obnoxious alert to tell them to get out. Otherwise, we could add in a safe zone. So one of the things we talked about is, do you have to have a rectangle for your area, your monitoring area? And we extended the capabilities a bit. Basically, I added in different sorts of shapes that could be used to make some arbitrary type of area. There's actually a lot of interesting maths involved in how you determine if someone's in an arbitrary shape or not, but I'll leave that for another time. Anyway, I'm splitting up the area into two, and this side has the safe area. If I switch on the point cloud again, and then I'll also switch on the alert sounds, the alarms. So when I go into those areas, you should be able to hear the alarm play. So I'll start off by going into the exclusion zone, and there you can see it's responded quite quickly, and now it's gone red and it's buzzing. If I go to the other side of the room, then you can see the safe zone. Not quite as obnoxious. And now that's the end of the demo.